How to install Slime's Emergency Tire Sealant. Slime's Emergency Tire Sealant comes in two can sizes, 14 ounces for cars and trailers and 18 ounces for larger tires found on trucks, SUVs, and vans. No sealant measuring is required. Slime makes it easy, one can for one tire. Let's get started. Step 1. Rotate the tire until the valve stem is located at the 6 o'clock position. Step 2. Shake the slime sealant can vigorously for 30 seconds. Step 3. Completely twist the slime sealant can onto your tire valve stem. Sealant will immediately start dispensing into your tire. Slime's through-core technology quickly injects the sealant into your tire for a fast, no-mess installation experience. Step 4. Wait 30 seconds for the can to completely dispense into the tire, then untwist to remove the can. Step 5. Slime's Emergency Tire Sealant does not contain air, so use your favorite slime inflator to fill your tire up to full pressure. Slime's Emergency Tire Sealant is a temporary repair for highway tires. Seek a professional tire repair within 3 days or 100 miles. Slime Emergency Tire Sealant. No jack required. Safe and easy. Tire sensor safe. No more flats.